3, 2, 1. What's going on, YouTube? We're back today with a MUT Gauntlet pack opening. It's like, this is my second account that I did. I think I made it a couple of months ago. And just been getting the free bonus players. Moved a few players over, bought a couple. And this account's just mainly for giveaways. That's why I got all these coins. Low in coin, down to 126 because I already did one giveaway, which is where the coins came from the first time. Still have 126,000 and probably get more than that after this pack opening, depending on what we get. I think Ultimate Legends are available. I don't know if there's any golden tickets. I haven't heard anything about them today. So there might not be any golden tickets today. I'm not sure. We have the Walter Payton 48-hour edition. And who's the other 48 hour? I think it's Ray Lewis. Not sure. But doubt we'll get any of those. Let's get into it. 7 packs. We already opened one last video. So let's get into it, see what we can get. Okay. Oh. Alright. We get into something really good there. COA. Put that in the set. This was going for like 30K. I last checked yesterday, but I don't know what's going for now. We'll see. Hopefully we can get some good pulls here. Alright, Bowman. Starting out with 2 straight elites right now. This is great. This is what you want. Finish off the pro packs now. Alright, there we go. That's what I was more expecting throughout this pro pack. Alright, 4 veteran packs. Let's get into these. We get 2 golds or better. Oh yeah, and we get badges too. I forgot about that. Nothing out of those. Badges were even bad too. Well, a couple elite badges, or 1 elite badge. Alright, we get a silver. The bronze. Still no elites out of these veteran packs. 2 more to go. Let's get some good badges if we can't pull any. Alright, another silver. That's always good. And of course, you get the bronze. So last pack. See if we can actually get something good here. Pull an elite, the very last pack. Alright, we get another silver and that gold. Maybe we can pull an elite badge. Pull an elite badge, I'll be fine if we don't pull an elite player. Let's go quickly. Nope. Chris Chester and a bronze badge. Wow. So the first 2 packs, good. Last one's not great. Good badges, but nothing really great to... I mean, they might sell for something, I don't know. We'll see. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I am out. Till next time, do work.